Good morning and happy Monday. Hope you had a good weekend. Um, Back at it. Here we go. One thing you may have noticed, you received an email from me through Skyward. Actually, I sent it to you and to your parents. It has a link in it to a survey. It's not that different from what I've been asking you on the weekly self-assessments. I just want to know how this is going for you. I want to know if there's things I can do better. The only difference is this one's anonymous. So if that helps you to be a little more honest, and you need to roast me a little bit, have at it. But I really value some honest feedback. So if you could, that would be awesome. Let's get right to it for this week. This is what it looks like. This is advanced algebra, but it's the same thing for MTS. So daily video, you're doing it. Whatever this will be, you'll see it'll be life-changing. Details for this week's math work. I don't know. I've been struggling a lot with this. I have decided we're going to go with another week of Khan Academy. I know that sucks, right? It does. All right. Online school sucks. But here's what I'm hoping. I'm hoping that Khan Academy is better than book assignments because I don't know. And so it's going to be just like before. These are the objectives that are due for the week. There are only 3 of them. 4 questions here, 4 questions here. That's 8, 7 questions here. That's 15 questions for this week. I don't know how quickly you'll do those. They might be kind of hard. They might be a challenge. I'm not really sure. MTS, obviously these are not your objectives, but you'll see it's the same thing. I'm going to tell you the same thing I told you last week. The blue things are the assignments. If you click right on this, it's going to take you to Khan Academy. And it's going to take you to the place where you log in. You will still need to find where you need to go for our assignments. The red things are the videos that tell you how to do these. I set up here they're optional, but if you try these and don't know how to do it, you can't say, gosh, I don't know what to do. You need to watch these videos, right? That's going to be the thing. Now, this week I'm going to be having probably more Zoom sessions where people can actually show up with questions and say, hey, I was trying to do this one thing. Maybe have a screenshot that you can show. I don't know. Or say specific things. But, watch the videos. It says they're optional. They're optional if you already know how to do function rules from equations. If you don't, then you need to watch these and see what you can figure out. You might have to watch them a couple times. So, same thing for MTS, obviously different exercises, so you'll have different assignments. When you click on this, however, it's going to take you to the login screen for Khan Academy. A lot of trouble with this for some people last week. When you get there, this is what it looks like for me as a teacher. This isn't what it'll look like for you. I don't know exactly how it'll look. You might come to a screen that looks kind of like this. You don't want to be here. That is not it. So find your name up in the top right corner. Ernest.Mark, you find your name. Click on something called Learner Home. Then, when you get to Learner Home, it'll say, oh, look, you're a member of Advanced Algebra Period 1. Click on Assignments. Here are your assignments. Oh, look, I'm a member of MTS. Here are my assignments. There they are, right? Again, click on Learner Home. Then over here, click on Assignments, right? That will take you to the assignments for this week. These are all the assignments that I have for this class. I don't even know what they all are. You will have the ones for this week. Again, I will make them due on Sunday night at midnight so that on Monday, what I can do is I can enter those things into Skyward. So you will see the new assignments listed here by due date. These should drop off tomorrow because they won't. They'll be past. You can look at past assignments if you want to. I think you can actually even still do them. I think it shows up that they're late. I'm not really sure. Focus on the current ones. If you don't like what's in Skyward, obviously go back and fix those up. But that's going to be it. For the week, the assignments that are listed on this sheet, that's it. There will be some sort of assessment at the end of the week like there was 2 weeks ago. I don't know exactly what format that'll be, but look for that Friday. So just to be aware, there will be an assessment coming up because there will need to be. But just be aware of that. And I think that's really all, with the exception of I need to leave you with this deep thought by Jack Handy. If you ever fall off the Sears Tower, just go real limp. Because maybe you'll look like a dummy and people will try to catch you because, hey, free dummy. Thanks for today, and wear your seatbelt.